Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you exactly how to make clickable links in your Canva designs. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter your desired dimensions to create a new design with any custom size you prefer. Next, add a heading by selecting the text option. Choose the heading style, then insert a link within the heading. Finally, add an additional element to your layout to enhance the design and functionality of the page. Insert this image first. Next, add a new page and place an image on it. Click the image to verify it navigates correctly. To add a link, select the image and press Ctrl+K. Then, enter the target location or URL for the image link. Confirm the link is working by clicking the image again. This process ensures your image links are functional and direct users to the correct destination within your project. Click Done, then apply it by pressing Ctrl+K. Next, select the H2 element and click Done again. To test this, go to the central screen. Then press Ctrl+Alt to activate the function or shortcut you set. This process ensures your changes are applied and ready for use without errors. Click the image to navigate to the next page. This action directs you forward, allowing you to continue through the content seamlessly and access additional information efficiently. Click the first lane, it works the same as the second. Both lanes are functional. Next, add a text box and type Google. Duplicate this text by pressing Ctrl+D. Then, change the duplicated text to YouTube. This demonstrates how you can quickly create multiple text elements using duplication. You can edit each text independently after duplicating. Use this method to efficiently add and modify text objects in your project. This process saves time and maintains consistent formatting across text elements. Try duplicating with different text labels to explore variation. Press Ctrl+K. To open the link dialog, type google.com and press enter. The hyperlink is now created. Next, proceed to enter the desired text or content as needed. Go to youtube.com and select the video you want. Click the share button, then choose Embed. Copy the embed code provided. This code allows you to insert the video directly into your web page or HTML document for seamless playback and easy sharing with your audience. You can also edit this section. We'll use the embed form for Google, so let's arrange it properly. Next, click Go to Present Full Screen. Then, click within this area where it says google.com. Now, try clicking the other option by selecting the Google logo here. This will take you to the desired location or function. Use these steps to easily navigate and embed the Google form into your presentation. This ensures a seamless, interactive experience while presenting. Repeat as necessary for other embedded content. Go to youtube.com to see how to add clickable links in Canva. After completing your design, click Share, then Download. Choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print to preserve the clickable links. Avoid selecting PNG or JPEG formats, as these do not support clickable links. Using the correct PDF format ensures your links remain active and clickable, allowing viewers to access the linked content directly from your design. This is essential for effective sharing and distribution. They will be treated as an image only. That's all. Now you know how to create clickable links in Canva-like, and subscribe for more easy design tips.